Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the newest updates on Instagram, how you can update your favorite music or the song that you currently listening to in the Instagram story. So this is a pretty new feature on Instagram, and to use it you need to first update the Instagram app to the latest version. And here to start, you can just click on the plus icon to start creating a story. Then here at the top you'll find the music button, so just tap on that. Oops, sorry. Just tap the music button, this one, and here you can just find the your favorite music and the one that you want to update to the Instagram story. For example, I'm going to add this songs right here, so just click on the songs and your story will look like this when you update it. Here you can just choose to update to your story or just a close friend. So that's how you can update a song into Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.